Camp and have fun with these tips. With popular reality programming focused on the outdoors, it is no wonder that we are seeing a resurgence of interest in camping. If camping is something that you have been considering for some time, but you are not sure where to begin, you can find the information you need in the video below. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Pack a few shovels if there are children with you on your trip. Kids love nothing better than digging in the dirt, and having the right accessories is crucial. If you have room, bring a bucket too. The children will happily entertain themselves in the dirt while you unpack, set up camp and do everything that you need to do. Avoid any wildlife you may come into contact with. Bears have become a fairly large problem with campers. In some parks they have been known to rip open the trunk of a car to gain access to food. Raccoons are also a big problem in many campgrounds. Not only are they smart and can gain access to your food supplies easily, but they can carry disease as well. Remember to pack a camera. There are some memories you're going to want to capture on your camping trip. Bring along a small camera that can fit in your pocket. Try to pack something durable that could stand getting dropped or becoming a bit wet. Consider using a disposable camera. There is a lot to think about before you go camping. However, after watching this, you should be able to handle the basic stuff. Thanks to this information, you can sit back and relax a bit more while at your camping excursion. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.